if your boat is powered by a Yamaha Outboard or is a Yamaha Jet boat, you're likely going to have this style of key switch. And as they age and get exposed to the oils in your fingers and the sunscreen and other things that are common with lake life, that rubber on the key switch tends to degrade and it turns into this goopy, nasty stuff that gets everywhere and is very hard to remove. So before it ends up all over your hands or on your carpet of your boat, let me show you what we need to do in order to replace these. Now there are two different sizes depending on what the number on your key says. So check the link in the description or the top pinned comment to see which one is going to be right for your boat's ignition switch, because I made the mistake of ordering the wrong one and it didn't fit the first time around. So save yourself that trouble and check that out so that you can get the right one for your boat. But once you've got the correct part, it's as simple as cleaning off all that nasty goop if you didn't catch it before that happened and popping the new one on. Now, some of these, like the one on this boat that I'm working on, have a little tiny tab inside that lines up so that it's always oriented correctly for the key. So make sure to look at your ignition switch and at your new rubber boot or protector or whatever you want to call it to make sure that you get it oriented correctly and it just snaps right into place like it should. Once you've replaced one or both, if you have a twin engine jet boat, you should be pretty much set to go. Hopefully you caught it before that rubber turned into too much goop and made a big mess all over everything. But if you need to, you can clean it off that key. I've heard of people using things like WD-40, brake cleaner, even gasoline. So, be careful with some of those products. Certainly don't be using them where they could get onto your boat's floor and end up staining it or causing issues later on. But after you've got those rubber protector boots on, you should be good for a good number of years again without any goopy, rubbery mess. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.